My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired scientist, Anand Agricultural University, Anand and Guest Faculty, Patel University, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. Today, the topic of my YouTube is natural farming produces nutrient-dense food. So here you can see natural farming practices, no chemicals, the top nutrient-dense food, and why you need them daily. Natural farming is a method, it is a revolution. It produces nutrient-dense food that keep our soil alive and our families healthy. प्राकृतिक खेती केवल एक तरीका नहीं बल्कि एक क्रांति है। यह पोषक तत्वों से भरपूर भोजन पैदा करती है जो हमारी मिट्टी को जिंदा और हमारे परिवार को स्वस्थ रखती है। तो आप देख सकते हैं that farmers are adopting the natural farming and the farmers is happy because you can see the wheat growth and production is very nice. So if you adopt the natural farming, then not only produce the higher crop growth, yield, but जो हमारे soil है, it remain healthy और उससे जो हमारा परिवार है वो भी healthy रहता है, स्वस्थ रहता है। What is the solution? Natural farming solution. Keep the soil healthy. Natural farming uses cow dung, cow urine, Jeevamrut, Panchagavya and compost. It restores soil health, saves water and produces nutrient-rich crops. प्राकृतिक खेती में गोबर, गोमूत्र, जीवामृत, पंचगव्य और कंपोस्ट का उपयोग होता है। यह मिट्टी को स्वस्थ बनाती है, पानी बचाती है और पोषक तत्वों से भरपूर फसल देती है। So natural farming is also called zero budget farming. It is cow-based inputs. So you can see that it is an indigenous cow, ghir cows. Generally, it is found in Saurashtra area and Gujarat, India. So they are preparing the Panchagavya from the different products. As I have mentioned, cow dung, cow urine. Then they are preparing the Jeevamrut preparation. So it is organic and it is fermented for 15 to 30 days. So microorganism can be added in a solution that is called Panchagavya or Jeevamrut. Figure 3, composting, a solution to food loss and waste. We can prepare the composting, so we can utilize the food loss and wastage for the composting purpose. So it has a more organic matter and we add in soil, and the soil become healthy. So you can see in figure 4, it is a healthy soil. What are the benefits of nutrient-dense food? Nutrient-dense food means better immunity, higher market value, and safe food for future generation. पोषक भोजन का मतलब है बेहतर रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता. It creates the immunity power. ऊंचा बाजार, you are getting the higher price. ऊंचा बाजार भाव और आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए सुरक्षित भोजन है. So for the future generation, the food is safe. There is no any disease to the human beings. So nutrient-dense food create the better immunity. It has a higher market value, so farmer get more profit. It is a safe food for future generation. So you can see here the healthy vegetables, fruits, farmer selling produce and they are the happy families. So you can see here the fresh, healthy vegetables and also fruits, and farmers are happy because the farmer get the more price of the nutrient dense vegetable or fruits. Why natural farming produces nutrient dense food? First, soil health and nutrient availability. Natural farming use cow dung, cow urine, Jeevamrut, compost, enrich soil microbes, increase organic carbon, improve nutrient cycling. So microorganism can be multiplied when we are using the Jeevamrut Panchagavya, and we are knowing that the role of the microorganism, whatever the nutrients, native or applied through manures or through the decompose of the plants, we can increase the availability of the nutrients. Then nutrient density in crops. Natural farming crops show higher vitamins C, antioxidant, polyphenol, and micronutrient, zinc, iron, and magnesium. Food safety, natural farming, no pesticide residue, safe for human health. So in organic farming and natural farming, not apply any chemicals and pesticides. So in natural farming, we not also use the organic chemicals. Then long-term health benefit, natural farming, nutrient-dense food supports better immunity, we have seen earlier, reduce chronic diseases, risk diabetes, heart disease, cancer, etc. Economic value, natural farming, nutrient-dense food fetches a premium market price, organic, natural certified market. So conclusion, natural farming not only restores soil health, but also produces nutrient-dense, safe, and high-value food, while conventional farming prioritizes yield at the cost of nutrition and health. So in conventional farming, we are applying the chemical fertilizer, pesticide, fungicide, herbicides. So our aim to produce the maximum crop productivity, but we are not further the nutrition and soil health. So in natural farming, we are care of the food, nutrition, and also care the soil health. So nutrient dense food, whole, real, unprocessed food, packed with vitamin, mineral, fiber, and antioxidants, as we have seen. Natural, not chemically altered, high nutrient, pure calories, boost immunity, manage weight, and reduce disease risk, keep you healthy and energetic. So the following are the nutrient-dense food you can eat: salmon, sardines, fillet, seaweed, garlic, shellfish, potatoes, liver, berries, eggs, bitter, melon, dark chocolate. So all are the nutrient-dense foods which has the high vitamins, antioxidant, minerals, and fibers, and it creates the immunity power. So there is less risk of the diseases. So benefit of nutrient-dense food: more nutrients per calorie, reduce risk of chronic disease, as we have seen earlier, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, improve sleep, reduce risk of anemia, cognitive impairment. So everyday food to improve your immunity system. So during Corona-19, we have seen that we are eat the nutrient-dense food because there will be required at that time the immunity system. so there will be less problem or infection of the COVID-19. So immunity boosting foods, fruit and foods that can help to boost the immunity system. Figure 7, you can see boosting your immunity to fight virus and bacteria what you need to. When we eat the nutrient-dense foods, then we can create the immunity power and it fight against the viruses and bacteria. So there are less chances of any chronic diseases. Then figure 8, your immunity system. Here are the basis of protecting yourself against disease. So we have discussed. So it is very required to create the immunity power. Chemical farming reduces soil fertility, increases cost of cultivation, and lowers food quality. So in chemical farming or conventional farming, we are looking the quantity and not food quality. And due to continuous chemical fertilizer, pesticide and fungicide, we are reducing the soil fertility and the cost of cultivation of the package of practice is increasing and inferior food quality. तो रासायनिक खेती मिट्टी की उर्वरता घटाती है, लागत बढ़ाती है और भोजन की गुणवत्ता कम करती है. That is why we should have to follow the natural farming, regenerative agriculture or organic farming for better food quality, nutrient dense food and or maintain the soil fertility for the future generation. So here you can see that gentleman spray the insecticide and due to conventional farming or chemical farming, you can see that the soil become dry, cracked and the plants are dried. Farmer success story. Thousands of farmers in India and abroad are adopting natural farming. Their yields are high, costs are low, and profits are growing. भारत और विदेशों में हजारों किसान प्राकृतिक खेती अपना रहे हैं. उनकी पैदावार अच्छी है, लागत कम है और मुनाफा बढ़ रहा है. So in India, you know that the state like Andhra Pradesh adopted the 100% natural farming. Then Sikkim also adopted the natural farming. And it is surprising to know that in Gujarat, in India, the one Gujarat Natural Farming Science University has been started and the headquarters is Halol, Panchmal, Gujarat, India. And that university has been started last 4 to 5 years. And in that university, I have served for 6 to 8 months. So it is a very important one. So in figure 10, how Indian farmers use natural farming methods to improve soil health. Figure 11, organic farming, types, benefits and importance. So in foreign also, I taken this photo from USA. So they also adopt the natural farming or organic farming and they are worried for the soil health. So global message, natural farming is not just for India. It is for the whole world, for healthy soil, healthy food and healthy people. प्राकृतिक खेती केवल भारत के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि पूरी दुनिया के लिए है. स्वस्थ मिट्टी, स्वस्थ भोजन और स्वस्थ इंसान के लिए. So you can say in figure 12, Indian farmer holding the world and giving some information to his child. So the farmers now reach to the USA, Canada, UK and globally. And they are studying and they are also advised how to carry out the natural farming, organic farming for sustaining the soil health. So closing, adopt natural farming, protect your soil, your health and your future. प्राकृतिक खेती अपनाइए, अपनी मिट्टी, अपना स्वास्थ्य और अपना भविष्य सुरक्षित बनाइए. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy life. So it is a logo of natural farming. So in nutshell, natural farming, healthy soil, healthy food and healthy life. So natural farming is revolutionary. So we have discussed problem, natural farming, it is cow-based farming that we can use cow dung, cow urine, Jeevamrut, Panchagavya and compost. I have also given in Hindi also. Then benefit, so we are getting the nutrient dense food, means better immunity, higher market value and safe food for future generation. And we have said that we are create the immunity power, so there is less risk of the chronic disease like heart disease or cancer or diabetes. So पोषण भोजन का मतलब है बेहतर रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता, ऊंचा बाजार भाव और आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए सुरक्षित है. Farmer success, thousands of farmers in India and abroad now adopting natural farming. So if you like my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So my channel link at the rate PCP Anand _ soil health and PCP forage. It is my link. So thank you very much. And if you have any problem related to natural farming or soil health, then you may contact to my email patelpc12@gmail.com or my WhatsApp number +91 99090 22116. I am residing at Anand, Gujarat, India. But now, at present, I am in Edmonton, Canada. So my WhatsApp number is also here working. And again, I will call you the email patelpc12@gmail.com. So thank you very much.